Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure your phone has mobile data and at least 20% battery, because tethering uses power. Once done, open Settings and enable Personal Hotspot or Mobile Hotspot. Assign a WPA2 password so the connection stays secure. Next, switch on Wi-Fi on your computer and confirm airplane mode is off. These steps get you immediately ready to pair. You're doing this now, so the next actions: connect quickly and safely without wasting time. You now connect. On your computer, open the network list, select the phone's SSID, and type the hotspot password. Hit connect. If Wi-Fi drops or you need lower latency, plug the phone via USB and enable USB tethering, or pair via Bluetooth for a secondary option. Make sure the computer uses DHCP so it gets an IP automatically. Change DNS only when necessary. Also, confirm the phone allows tethering for that device. Permission blocks are finished by verifying internet access. Load a web page and run a brief speed check to confirm throughput. Once satisfied, set the connection as metered on your computer if you want to limit background data usage. For security, reduce hotspot visibility or change the password after use. If something goes wrong, here's the key troubleshooting tip. Restart the phone and computer, then toggle the hotspot. Many tethering problems clear with a fresh network handshake, so try that before digging deeper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.